Hi folks, thanks so much for subscribing to Music XT. I'm glad that you're part of the community. So a few years ago, I was giving a workshop for some music educators, and I noticed that they had this tendency to very rigidly count all of the various patterns that we were encountering. And it occurred to me that it was really hard for the teachers to break that habit of counting and really connect to the feeling first philosophy that I embrace, which is to say that the most important thing is that you're able to feel the differences between these patterns and not just understand them by counting. And so I began this journey of trying to interrogate my own teaching and find areas where we were using numbers that we didn't need to be, and trying to encourage the students to approach these musical concepts feeling first and not numbers first. So numbers are a great way for analyzing it, but I think when we use it as our first method of navigating a concept, that we prevent the students from building their own connection to it. So I discovered a lot of areas in which numbers were not necessary, and I look forward to sharing these with you at our team masterclass on October 28th, which is all about eliminating numbers from the curriculum. We'll talk about the value of why I found it to be useful, and we'll talk a little bit about some of the specific techniques. So I hope to see you there, October 28th. I eliminated numbers and survived. Music XT.